So our team, I, Jason, Rada, Cass, and AK, decided to create a website where users can share their recipes and have them edited and deleted. So let's have Jason to explain more about this website.
Let's log in. So, as you can see, once we successfully log in, our app will direct us to our homepage. As you can see in our homepage, Hapag is meant to be like a social media app for food bloggers or food oriented people, especially those who want to cook and to share their recipes to other people. So then let's explore our homepage.
Side tab you see like with trending, latest recipes, some groups, and suggested if you want to follow other groups or community. Then at the main page are the latest recipes added by other users.
So as you can see, Jason created a new account, and you'll see that the name of the login account. So let's try to publish a new recipe. We're gonna input the recipe name, the descriptions, ingredients, and procedures. So as you can see, it has been posted. So let's view the full recipe. You can see the name, the ingredients, the picture, the instructions, and the descriptions.